Hey guys, I'm back with the final set of tiles for the first cell activator mix. If you're new, I'll link the video playlist for this series in the description. If you followed along, I'm sorry to say I didn't exactly save the best for last. The colors are great, but these sets had quite a bit of cracking. As you'll see with the first set today, I didn't even bother putting a resin coat on it. The second set I was able to fix enough by going back and painting in the cracks. The cell action is phenomenal though. As we finish this ratio of activator, I'm more and more convinced that the activator itself is not the issue. I think I'm getting thick spots in the pillow. This is causing the paints to dry at different rates. If the top layer dries faster than the bottom, the top can split apart. This is the typical reason for cracks in most pours. I had it on my radar as a possible culprit, but I also thought it had more to do with the amount of pre-stain that I put in the mix. As I said in part 4, I have 6 more ratios to share with you guys. I kind of went buck wild and did a lot of different mixtures. They produced a wide variety of results, so I want to know which results you like the best. In the next video, I will test all 6 of these activators in a side-by-side comparison. From there, you guys can decide which ones I should focus on. At the end, I hope to offer you a nice choice of cell activator alternatives. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. That way you can be up to date on all the new cell activator ratios and mixtures that I test out. If you're already a subscriber, thanks! You rock! If you aren't already aware, I put out a new video every Tuesday and Friday. That's it from me. I hope you guys enjoy these last few pours with this new cell activator. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!